Hey everybody, it's Mark here. It's very early in the morning. It's pretty cold, it's pretty wet. You're about to watch another one of my what I eat in a day videos. This video includes waffle goodness. I'm warning you, the waffles in this video are extraordinary. And if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see my dinner, which is the meal that I call my Superman meal. I call it my Superman meal because it's the meal that I've designed that will give me the most amount of protein, the most amount of strength and power. So stick around to the end of the video. You'll see the most incredible dinner. If you're wondering how you can get enough protein and enough nutrients in your diet, this is definitely the video for you. All of the food is healthy, incredibly cheap, incredibly simple to make. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be quiet now and let's get on with the good food. So I'm having my usual breakfast this morning. As you can see, it's oats. These are not my favourite oats. I'm still getting through these. Got another box of them, unfortunately. I usually like the Waitrose oats. These are Co-op's oats. These are nowhere near as nice, but I'm not going to waste them. I've got some Ceylon cinnamon. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ceylon. This is true cinnamon. A lot of the cinnamon you buy in the little pots in the supermarket is not Ceylon cinnamon. It's a different kind of cinnamon. And then I've got some organic brown linseeds. I've just add a tablespoon of that to my porridge. That'll just give me some omega-3s and some more nutrients and a little bit more filling and more fibre. So my usual breakfast coming up. So I've just brought my oats up to the boil, added all the ingredients. Now I'm just letting it simmer a little bit. Only takes about 5 minutes. And that will be a wonderfully healthy, nutritious, but more importantly, incredibly filling breakfast. This breakfast will fill me up for hours. Oh yes. Thick, gloopy goodness. Lots of fibre, lots of protein. That's just a perfect start to the day. I'm going to have a cup of tea straight away afterwards. I've just finished my breakfast and I'm just brewing up a nice cup of green tea. I'm using Twinings pure green tea. Only takes 2 minutes in the cup. Sometimes I have a normal English breakfast tea with soy milk, but I really fancy green tea. Good way to start the day straight after my oats. And I'm going to sit down and have my green tea and do some work on my YouTube channel. Set up a little workstation here. It's not really a workstation, it's actually my mini bookcase. It's just somewhere I could like to sit and work, having my green tea and doing some work on my YouTube channel. As you can see, that's my new layout. For those of you that haven't seen it, I was Vegan Mark, of course. Now it's just my own name. So if you haven't checked out my YouTube homepage and the new artwork and stuff, please go and have a look. So I'm just about to have my mid-morning coffee outside. It's the 4th of July, English summertime, and I'm sitting out, as you can see, in a thick New York Knicks hoodie and my winter coat. You love summer, don't you? So, mid-morning coffee. I've got the Union roast beans today, and I've got a kind dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. It's pretty cold outside, but the garden needs a tidy still, but it's starting to look a little bit greener here. I'm just about to start making my lunch. Here I have my waffle batter mix. This is 1 banana, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of linseed. I've blended it all up, as you can see, to make a nice batter. On the hob here, I've got 2 sort of large handfuls of blueberries. And what I'm doing, if I just quickly grab a spoon, is I'm just applying some heat to the bottom of the pan, some light heat. Sorry, you can't see that very well. Just applying some light heat, and that will... These are frozen blueberries, by the way. Sorry, I didn't mention that. That will reduce the blueberries into a sort of lovely, delicious blueberry sauce that I will drizzle over the waffles when they're finished. And here I've got my Von Chef waffle maker. This is a really, really good waffle maker. As you can see, makes 4 waffles really good size. If you get the amount of batter correct, you get 4 large waffles. The batter that I've got is perfect for this waffle maker. So yeah, I'm going to get on with my waffles, and then I will show you the delicious, healthy, nutritious waffles drizzled in a wonderful hot blueberry sauce. Let me just pour this raspberry sauce on. Oh my god. Oh god, that looks so good. Smells great. I can smell banana and cinnamon and raspberry, and I'm just going to cover these. It's not very clean and tidy, I realise that, but I really don't care. Oh wow. Let's have a look here. Oh my god. Oh yes. I know you're watching this and you're all incredibly jealous of these waffles. Oh, look at that. That is waffle cooked to perfection with blueberry sauce, blueberry juice, whatever you want to call it. Oh, oh my goodness. That's amazing. Right, well, I'm going to go and enjoy this before it cools down. Glass of water. Oh god. Oh wow, that tastes good. These are frozen blueberries, everyone. Don't be scared of using frozen fruit. It's pretty good. Look at that. Oh, fantastic. So, I'm going to go and have my lunch. Stay tuned. Lots more fantastic. Oh yeah, look at that shot. Oh, that's the shot. Oh, wow. So stay tuned for more fantastic food. Afternoon coffee. Dinner. Dinner's going to be great today. I'm going to show you my what I call my Superman meal for dinner. So stay tuned, folks. So it's dinner time, and I'm going to show you the ingredients and basically the finished article of what I call my Superman meal. I call this my Superman meal because it's absolutely packed with protein, gives you lots of energy, lots of strength, packed with nutrition, almost zero fat, every single thing. I've kind of designed this specific meal so that it's got everything to give you strength, to give you some power. I eat this more when I'm cycling more. So yeah, so let's quickly go through. Pearl barley. You must get pearl barley in your diet. This is just such good stuff. Protein, low in calories, just full of minerals, full of vitamins, absolutely fantastic. Red lentils. Made plenty of videos about red lentils, again, high in protein. Broccoli. High in lots of minerals, lots of vitamins, highly nutritious, high in protein, better still, incredibly high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is so important to get into your diet. Get as much of that as possible. So fresh broccoli, some potatoes. Not going to use all these potatoes, I'm just giving you an example. Calorifically, they're very good for you, very low in fat. We all know how good potatoes are for you. Garlic, a couple of garlic cloves. Obviously, how much garlic you use is up to you, but I love lots of garlic, so I'll have 2. Garlic, fantastic, antibacterial, anti-fungus, fantastic, sort of, you know, good for your gut, puts lots of positive bacteria into your gut. Fantastic stuff. Have garlic in my diet almost every day. Going to use some of this vegetable bouillon powder. This goes straight into the pan with the lentils and the pearl barley at first. Medium curry powder. You can use whatever spices you want, but the combination I use is my favourite, so I use medium curry powder. Ground cumin, ground turmeric. Those are my favourite 3 spices for this particular dish. Basically what you do is you put the red lentils, the pearl barley, the garlic, the bouillon, the spices all into a pan with water, bring it to the boil, turn it down to simmer, then you add chopped broccoli, cubes of potatoes, add more water if you need to, and then just let that simmer for 20 minutes or so. Reduce the water so you get a sort of mushy, lovely, delicious. It's basically, the basic recipe is a vegan dal. So if you want to look up dal, D-A-A-L, that's what it is, but I call it my Superman meal because it's just so fantastically good for you. I will make a proper recipe video of this. I promise you that's coming very soon. I've got a tripod on order from Amazon. As soon as I get that, I'll be able to have a better setup, so I'll be able to do recipe videos. Chuck it all in a pan. It's easy, it's quick, it's incredibly cheap, but best of all, it's going to give you strength, it's going to give you power. If you're trying to lose weight, this is a fantastic meal. So I've shown you enough of the ingredients. I'm going to get on and cook it, and then I'll show you the finished article. Okay folks, so here it is. This is my Superman meal. Oh my god. I wish you could smell this. It's amazing. The spices, the herbs, broccoli, potatoes, barley, tiny pinch of salt, little bit of black pepper, red lentils. Just an amazing, amazing dish. If you eat a bowl of this, you feel the goodness. Like your body responds to it because it's so good for you. I am absolutely going to make the proper recipe to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to do that within the next couple of days, so stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to see that. Of all the food that I eat, this is a dish that I've kind of designed to get the maximum energy and the maximum goodness. Your body will thank you for eating this, I promise. Having a couple of naan breads with it, which I don't usually have because it's got some oil in it, so it raises the fat content, but I'm extra hungry today. Some naan bread, but there you go. That's what I call my Superman meal.